Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for staying with us. Today we have a delicious recipe, zucchini and pineapple cake. The full recipe will be in the description below the video. Feel free to use it and enjoy your meal. Now let's quickly go over the ingredients. Cooking time is 1 hour 30 minutes and it makes 6 servings. You'll need 400 grams of flour, 2 small zucchinis, 200 grams of canned pineapple, 180 grams of sugar, 3 eggs, 50 milliliters of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground allspice, and powdered sugar. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees and line the baking pan with parchment paper. Grate the zucchini on a coarse grater and squeeze out the excess moisture. Drain the liquid from the can of pineapples. Cut the pineapple into small pieces. Beat the eggs together with regular sugar, vanilla sugar, and vegetable oil. In a separate bowl, mix the flour with the baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and allspice.
Gently combine the wet and dry mixtures and blend them together with a mixer.
Add the pineapple and zucchini and mix once more. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake the cake for 50 to 60 minutes. Check for doneness with a wooden skewer. When you poke it in, it should come out clean and dry. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan. Transfer the cake to a serving plate and dust with powdered sugar. Enjoy your meal.